Here at Swiss Watch Expo, we're reviewing the blue Tudor Pelagos with the blue dial. My absolute favorite in the Tudor lineup. Of all of the Tudors, this is my absolute personal favorite. This Pelagos in blue is very hard to find. Most of the ones that you find pre-owned are dinged up or scratched up because they have that titanium finish. This is a very lightweight watch with a ceramic bezel insert, but also remember this. This watch glows all the way around the outside bezel ring in addition to the inside. It's bright blue at night, it lasts all night, and it's very bright, and it never fades to a point where you can't see it. This watch is pristine. Find it at SwissWatchExpo.com. Give us a call. This is a watch you don't want to miss out on. It's our only blue one for the moment. So these things go very, very quickly. This is stock number 30138. 30138. And the price is absolutely incredible. It's pristine. It does come with the box and the card and everything as well.